SoSoValue dance and sway. SoSoValue night and day.
Welcome to SoSoValue's Furry News Studio. I'm your host and CIO, SoCaddis. Brings you the latest crypto market updates with max personality. Simon Garovich, CEO of Japanese-listed company Metaplanet, revealed on X that Metaplanet was the most purchased stock last week via NISA accounts at SBI Securities, Japan's largest online brokerage. Japanese investors are increasingly using the tax-free NISA investment scheme to gain indirect exposure to Bitcoin while avoiding capital gains tax. Garovich noted, Bitcoin, zero taxes, and leverage have become the ultimate combo for Japanese investors. Wow! Next news. Trump Media and Technology Group announced that it has reached subscription agreements with approximately 50 institutional investors for a private placement totaling nearly $2.5 billion USD. The company will use the proceeds to establish a corporate Bitcoin treasury. This offering includes $1.5 billion USD in common stock and $1 billion USD in convertible bonds, with a conversion price at a 35% premium over the current price. The company plans to include Bitcoin on its balance sheet alongside $759 million USD in cash and short-term investments as of the end of CON 2025. Next news. At the Bitcoin 2025 conference, U.S. Vice President J.D. Vance called Bitcoin a bottom-up innovation and a tool against inflation. He urged the U.S. to embrace crypto to stay ahead of China, which banned it in 2021. Vance also supported the Genius Act to regulate dollar-pegged stablecoins, calling them a boost to U.S. economic strength. He highlighted the Trump administration's pro-crypto actions and encouraged continued political engagement from the industry.
I believe it's 50 million Americans own Bitcoin, and I believe that's going to be 100 million before too long.
Next news. According to Bloomberg, Reform UK leader Nigel Farage announced at the Bitcoin conference in Las Vegas in May 2025 that if his party wins the next election, it will push the UK to become a crypto powerhouse and will submit a crypto bill to Parliament. Next news. U.S. President Donald Trump criticized the European Union for exploiting the U.S. through trade barriers, VAT, penalties on American companies, and other non-tariff measures, which he claims have caused an annual trade deficit of over $250 billion. Citing a lack of progress in negotiations, Trump proposed a 50% tariff on EU goods starting June 1, 2025, with exemptions for products made in the United States. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and share the news to your friends. See you tomorrow.